Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says solve the following. 3x minus 7 equals 5. And so this is a solving equations question. It's basically a two-step, add 7 and divide by 3, but let's go through the process. First, I'm going to look at my left side expression and right side expression in simplest form, meaning no like terms to combine, no distributive properties. And the answer is yes. Secondly, I'm going to want to get all my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. So to do that, I'm going to add 7 to both sides. That will isolate my 3x on the left side. So negative 7 plus 7 is 0, or as some people say, it cancels out. 0 plus 3x is 3x. And so now my variable is isolated on the left side. On the right side, I'm going to add 5 plus 7 and get 12. My last step then is to make the coefficient of x equal to 1. Right now the coefficient is 3. Since 3 is being multiplied by x, I'm going to undo that with division by 3 on both sides. So 3 divided by 3 is 1x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so my answer would be x equals 4.